if you have never been to Uganda, let me tell you this. The first city you need to visit is Entebbe. Let me tell you this, man. If you want to fall in love with this country, come to Entebbe first. The reason... Guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is Entebbe, Uganda. Let me tell you this, guys. We just came straight from Kampala, Uganda. And I'll be very honest with you, man. I know there's a lot of Kampala dwellers and a lot of Kampala lovers, but I'll be honest with you guys. Me personally, I did not like Kampala. I think the reason is because there's too much traffic jam in Kampala. Too much traffic jam. Cars are everywhere. Motorbikes are everywhere. A lot of people are everywhere. And also roads in Kampala are a little bit too short. But that's because I did not see the other part of Uganda. Here I am at Entebbe, Uganda. We are actually going to catch our flight to go back to Kenya. And then to go back to Tanzania. So we're going to meet with Gen Z and then we go back to Tanzania. You know what I'm saying? We took a boda, guys. Crazy trip. Boda from Kampala, Uganda, all the way to Entebbe. 1 hour long, guys. We are here right now. But man, this city is beautiful. Guys, Entebbe is beautiful, guys. Entebbe is beautiful, man. I cannot compare Entebbe and Kampala. If you have been to all these two cities, I think you understand what I mean. Entebbe is crazy, man. First of all, Victoria Lake is here at Entebbe, Uganda. You see, behind there's a Victoria Lake. Victoria Lake goes all the way to there. That is Victoria Lake as well. As if Entebbe is like a little island, but I don't know if Entebbe is island, but there's a Victoria Lake everywhere. Look at the nature, man, in this city. Show them this side. Look at this. This is how it is everywhere, man. This is not just airport. I know right now I'm at the airport, but man, this is how you see everywhere you go in Entebbe. The houses, the hills. Actually, Entebbe kind of reminds me of Kigali, because Entebbe, there's so many hills and the houses on top of the hills, some of them down in the hills. You see, you know, banana trees everywhere. You see greenish everywhere, trees everywhere, people everywhere, water everywhere, cars everywhere. But the roads, man, really big roads in Entebbe. Actually, I just found out that here is where the State House is as well. So our grandpa, Yaka 7, he lives here at Entebbe, somewhere there. His White House, State House is somewhere there. Man, if you have never been to Uganda, let me tell you this. The first city you need to visit is Entebbe. Let me tell you this, man. If you want to fall in love with this country, come to Entebbe first. The reason why I'm this excited, because, man, when I was in Kampala, I don't have any bad feeling. There are people who love big cities. There are people who love cities with a lot of people, with a lot of houses, with a lot of cars, a lot of people who love that. But for me, I love the nature. When I look at the nature, that's what I love the most. Apart from the nature, man, like show them this side. You see that? Okay. You know the matter of fact, let me stand here. Let me stand in this side. You may not have bad time. All right, you see? Okay, let's go straight. Don't forget. You see, guys? For me, I love nature. I don't know, Paul. What do you love?
Nature.
You love nature.
Yeah.
So when it comes to loving nature, this is what you want to see. This is where you feel safe. This is where you feel like, man, you're in heaven. And I love this, man. This is Entebbe, Uganda. And this is not just the airport, man. Everywhere in here, Uganda, you'll find this thing. Entebbe, Uganda, man. Man, why you guys did not tell me? I asked you, tell me. I asked you, tell me. I wish I came to Entebbe like 2 or 3 days ago to just see this city. Okay, of course, we went to Kampala because we came by bus, man. Oh my God. So guys, if you're taking a bus, please, come straight to Entebbe. Entebbe is a beautiful city. Wow, guys. Wow. Guys, welcome to Entebbe, man. Less people here in Entebbe, Uganda. Huh? And this is my home, man. This is my home, guys. So, okay, the time has come for us to say goodbye. We're actually going back. We're actually going to Kenya right now, guys. Can you imagine you're going to Kenya? We're going to be there for a couple of hours. And then we're going to go to Tanzania. So within a single week I've been in East Africa. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I never thought in my lifetime that I'll be in 3 countries in just a single week. I never thought in my entire life. And I'm telling you, the way God did is amazing, man. First of all, shout out to Ethiopian Airlines. Shout out to my brother Bezu. He's working for Ethiopian Airlines here in Uganda, man. He has given us an opportunity to actually catch a flight from here all the way to Kenya, and then Kenya all the way to Tanzania. That is Kenyan Airways. But the person who pulled this through, he's an Ethiopian. Man, look at that. Look at that, man. Show them that. Look at that, man. Man. Look at that, man. This, you know, Paul, let me ask you this. What does this remind you? The verse in the Bible.
Reminds me about the Eden.
Garden of Eden. Eden. This reminds me of Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. Oh no, man, that guy is right there, man. What's wrong with you, man? This remind me, the Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. Bwana ndiye mchungaji wangu, sitapungukiwa na kitu. Kando ya majani mabichi unilaza. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. No. Guys, remind me. Psalm 23. Show them. That also is Entebbe. You see? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And Entebbe, Uganda, man, the airport is nice. Oh my God. Look at this, man. And here, man, there's no like red soil. Look at this airport, man. It's very clean. Very quiet. Oh my God, man, I love this. I love this airport, man. Guys, let me tell you this. Welcome to Uganda. Welcome to Entebbe. If you've never been here, please come. And I will recommend you this. Start with Entebbe city before anywhere else. Then I know you'll fall in love with this country, man. This is how it is. Everywhere are hills. You have Victoria Lake right there. I've seen people, showering in the Victoria Lake, and you have a police station right there. Anyways, they just mood of this Entebbe. It's good, man. I love the weather in Entebbe. Anyways, guys, I don't know, man, but we've been here for a short while. But Entebbe, Uganda, you've been good to us. We visited UTB, Uganda Tourism Board. We also visited Makerere University. We also visited, what else did we visit?
Museum.
Hey, Uganda National Museum. Yeah, and then just street content. And it has been amazing. It's been incredible. So, shout out to Bezu. Shout out to Ethiopian Airlines. Shout out to you guys for pulling this through. I appreciate you guys. I love you. And thank you for the support for everybody that have been staying with us. Until next time, guys. Guys, that is Entebbe, Uganda airport. And I think they just repair very soon, because you can look at this direction. They're still building the new place. But it's amazing, man. I love the excellence at this airport right here. It looks amazing, man. The work they have done here, kudos to Uganda. It's a nice airport. I mean, we need this, because this is actually the face of the country, At least our airport has to look good like this, you know what I'm saying? Because when tourists and people come to the country, this is the first place they come to, you know what I'm saying? So it looks good. It looks amazing. It looks quality. Look at that, man. Look at that. Would you take a look at that? Would you take a look at that, man? Would you take a look at that? Watch out this one. Okay. We are the departure people. Entebbe, Uganda, man. They're building. I think they're expanding the airport on that side. This is really huge, to be honest. It's really huge. It's really beautiful. They've done a pretty good job with this one. Yeah, this is really nice, man. Welcome to the Pearl of Africa. The home of everything. Ugandans, they say, whatever you want to find in Africa, you can find here in Uganda. That's why this is the Pearl of Africa. It's amazing, man. It's really good. This is Uganda, guys. And this is Entebbe. You know what I'm saying? Entebbe, Kampala. Honestly, I can't compare with these cities. This is the best city for me, Entebbe. And if I come to live in Uganda, I'll live in Entebbe. This is the place I'm gonna live. It's looking upward, man. Right? It's nice looking up. Alright, man. Now we need to go passport and everything, ready to go to Kenya. Gen Z, we're coming.